On to part C, which is the differential equation portion. Again, the good thing about differential equations is all you have to do is separate variables and you're going to get 1 point. So separating the variable here, you get dy over y squared equals dx over x minus 1. All right, now this will be the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 1 plus a constant. But don't think just because you have something in the denominator that it's automatically going to be a natural log. Because remember, this thing in the denominator is squared. So what I'm going to do instead here is make this y to the negative second dy. And y to the negative second, if you do the antiderivative of it, you get y to the negative first over negative 1. And this becomes 1 over y equals to the negative, moving the negative up, natural log of x minus 1 plus c. So from here, the thing is you want to take the reciprocal. Now, remember, you're not taking the reciprocal of just this portion and then saying plus c out to the side. It's the reciprocal of the entire thing. So y equals negative 1. I'll just keep the negative in the numerator. And then it's over the natural log of x minus 1 plus c. Now, you get to this point, you're like, oh, natural log. And this is a non-calculator problem. But the good news is that if you run into natural log in a calculator portion problem, you're either going to come up with e or you're going to come up with the natural log of 1. So let's see what's going to happen here. We know that f of 2 is 3. So 3 equals negative 1 over the natural log of 2 minus 1 plus our constant. And, oh, looky there, natural log of 1, and that's going to be 0. So 3 equals negative 1 over c. So c would equal to negative 1/3. Now that's c. A couple of you stopped right there on your take-home problems. Don't stop right there. You need to go ahead and go back into the equation. I'm going to try to find the basic one where it's solved for y, which would be at this step right here. And I'll say, well, all right, well, I don't need an equals here because this would not actually be equals. This is going to imply that y equals negative 1 over the natural log of the absolute value of x minus 1 and then minus 1/3. And that would end up being your solution. If you're really excited about this problem, what you can do is you can see how close your estimate was from the original problem, or part B, and you could plug in 2.1 here. And you'd have to get your calculator out to do that, but see how close you are to 3.9 when you do that value here. This would be the exact answer. When we did the tangent line, that was an approximate answer. You can't do this exact answer. I say exact answer, it'd have to be, of course, a decimal approximation because the natural log of 2.1 minus 1 would be an irrational number. But anyway, the trick on it is when you've got a differential equation, make sure that you separate your variables. That gets you a point. Now, I don't know this year how much a point's going to weigh into anything, but you're showing work, you're getting credit for the steps as they go along. Again, I hope things are going well for you. Keep on working hard, and later on I will be posting another problem of the day. I'll also be working on grading the last set of free response questions that I mailed out. A few of you still need to turn those in, so make sure you are getting those turned in. I'm excited about the number of people who are viewing these videos, so that shows that you are still working. Now what I need you to do is I need you, for me giving you your 1 point credit, is I need you to just snap a picture and email it to me of part C of this problem, what you worked before I did the video, and that's how I can give you your credit for your problem as far as earning those 10 points for the term is concerned. So keep up the good work, and I will be talking to you soon.